So here's your function. It looks pretty scary at first glance, especially when you look at the answers, all these ln's going on. But the process is just going to be the same. I'm going to start by letting this f of t be y. Okay, and we can leave the t, so we'll just have t's and y's instead of x's and y's. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip the t's and the y. So every y becomes a t. So I have t equals -5 times 46 to the y plus 4. Okay, now I'm going to have to convert because I'm solving this thing for y. So I got to end up converting. But before I do that, I have to get this base all by itself. So I'm going to start by subtracting 4 from both sides. So I have t minus 4 equals -5 times 46 to the power of y. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that -5, so I'm going to divide both sides by -5. So I have t minus 4 divided by -5 equals 46 to the y. All right, now I can convert. Remember, my formula looks like this. Y equals a to the x. That's what we're in right now. That converts to x equals log base a of y. So what I'm going to do is convert this. My base stays the same, so y is going to go to its own side. Y equals log base 46 of this whole thing, t minus 4 over -5. So technically, I would accept this as your answer, but that's not one of our answers. So this, if I change this back, this is going to be, I'm going to erase this. Since we're all done, that's going to be f inverse of x, of t, sorry. But this doesn't look like any of these. But what they did was they just simplified this. So not really simplified it, but changed it using the change of base formula. That was the last thing we learned in class. So I can write this as the quotient of two logs with the same base. They're all in terms of ln, so I'll write this as, this is going to be ln of the top. I don't know why they would expect you to know how to do this, because I wouldn't actually do this. I would leave it the way it was, but that's not one of our answers. ln of the top divided by ln of the base. Right, they just applied the change of base formula. I don't know why. I think this technically is prettier than that, but your answer looks like it's going to be this last guy.